Welcome. This presentation covers the complete process of signing and notarizing a document, what the signer must do, what the notary public must do, and how a real notarized document looks with each section clearly identified. In the notarization process, two key roles are involved: the signer and the notary public. The signer must appear in person, present valid identification, and sign willingly in the notary's presence. The notary verifies identity, ensures voluntary action, completes the notarial certificate, and applies the official stamp and seal. The notarization process involves 6 key steps. First, the signer must appear in person or via remote online notarization. Second, present a valid government-issued identification for verification. Third, review the document, ensuring all blanks are filled and not pre-signed. Fourth, sign in the notary's presence. Fifth, the notary completes the certificate. Finally, apply the official stamp, seal, and record the journal entry. These 6 steps form the complete notarization process. The star slide, the annotated affidavit, is coming up next. This is the key slide. Every annotated element on the affidavit has a specific legal purpose. The signer's signature line, the notary's signature line, the official seal area, and the commission expiration date are all legally required components. If any of these are missing or incomplete, the notarization can be challenged or invalidated. Each signature on a notarized document carries specific legal weight. The signer's signature proves they executed the document voluntarily. The notarized witnessing proves it was done in their presence. The notarized own signature and seal authenticate the entire event. Before notarization, the notary verifies the signer's identity. The identification must be current, government issued, and match the document's name. Acceptable identifications include driver's licenses, United States passports, military identifications, and more. Expired identifications or non-government identifications are not valid. The photo must match the person present. Understanding the difference between acknowledgment and jurat is crucial. Using the wrong notarial certificate type can legally invalidate a document. An acknowledgment simply confirms the signing was voluntary. A jurat goes further, requiring an oath and the signature to be made in the notary's presence. When in doubt, the signer's attorney or the requesting institution should specify which type is needed. The official notary seal is crucial for legal validation. It must include the notary's full legal name, state of commission, commission number, and expiration date. Equally important is the notary journal, which logs every act with details like date, document type, signer's name, identification used, and signature. Preparation is half the battle. Signers who arrive with unsigned documents and valid ID make the process seamless. Notaries who have their commission, stamp, and journal ready prevent delays and errors. The warning about pre-signed documents cannot be overstated. It's the most common mistake that nullifies a notarization. These are the rules that, if broken, will either invalidate the notarization or expose the notary to legal liability. There are no exceptions to these rules in any U.S. state. As of 2025, more than 40 states have enacted remote online notarization legislation. For notaries, remote online notarization dramatically expands the potential client base and earning capacity. For signers, it eliminates the need to travel. The technology requirements, security protocols, and session retention rules vary by state, so always check your state-specific remote online notarization statutes before proceeding. You now have a complete professional understanding of the notarization process from both the signer's and the notary's perspective. Thank you for joining us at Oath&Ink Academy. Stay professional, stay precise, and keep serving your community with excellence.